Next up, a UNLRA for Handshake. Check out maps.techno.co for an always updating interactive map with everything you need to know about Grey Zone Warfare and Arena Breakout Infinite, with missions mapped out in great detail. Now, control-click to make suggestions. Thank you to everyone who's used it thus far. In this, we need to search the checkpoints around Tiger Bay and bring intel to Handshake. This is simple enough, but if we check out Tiger Bay on the far east here, it's nowhere inside of the town that we need to go, unlike previously, somewhere here. We actually need to follow this road up north, somewhere around here we should find our first one, then off to the west, somewhere around here we should find our second, and down here we should find our third. So if you haven't already discovered some landing zones, you're going to be doing quite a bit of jogging from probably Band Palm. So for me, I can head across to this one, then across to this one, and so on. So for now, we'll start up here. So the begin landing at the far north spot, we'll head to here first, a short jog away. This, unfortunately, does all need to be done between 2200 and 5 a.m. in-game, so it is going to take quite a bit of time to run around, especially if you haven't got all these LZs unlocked already, and if you're slow enough, well, it may take you more than just one night. That being said, I definitely would stay clear of Tiger Bay, at least until further AI improvements have been made. Alright, so pushing up here, you can already see the first little bit. It's nowhere near as far up as I thought it was, but right here, we'll need to clear out the guards. There's 1, 2, and I think that's probably about it. And inside of here, oh no, it was just as far up as I thought it was. We should find maybe a third guard, unless I just didn't get rid of him. Possibly in here, a piece of paper that we need to pick up. UNLRA quarantine key. Let's take that and store it away safely. That I found up here, all the way there. And checking all of these tables super carefully, we didn't find a piece of paper, so we'll need to check the next one. For you, this could spawn at any one of these 3 checkpoints, so just do be diligent while you're checking these, otherwise, well, you're going to be stuck in this for quite some time. I'm pretty sure it'll only spawn inside of here, and judging by the fact that we haven't found anything just yet, it'll maybe be the next one, possibly the last one. So for now, we'll head back to the landing zone down here, or at least I will, and we'll make our way all the way across to this bridge here. I'll be traveling to Juliet 2 via heli. It'll be a lot quicker. Of course, you may need to jog there. There we go, we're landing here. We'll head just up north. Super quick to travel by heli. Alright, so approaching this next position, we'll clear out the guards once more. As soon as we catch our breath. 1 down. We've now discovered this checkpoint. I don't see where this other guard might be, but checking around here. Let's check the table. Looks promising, but that's not it. Inside here. Oh, there we go. UNLRA file. So we'll grab this, and now we're technically done with the mission, but I'll show you the third and final location anyways. Inside of here, it doesn't look like there's anything, but that's the table that it spawned on for me right about there. The final location, if you don't happen to find it here or up north, is down here or there. Anyways, we'll need to travel there. And also somewhere about here, according to my map, there should be another landing zone, so we'll travel there anyways. If you want to travel quite a bit faster, pack light. I've got a ton of weight on me, so I'm going to run out of stamina super quickly. But if you come with just a basic chest plate, helmet, and a small weapon, you should be able to travel quite a bit quicker between these points. Just as long as you can defend yourself at them, it should be a lot simpler, especially if you haven't already grabbed all of these landing zones. Right, so making it pretty much all the way there, we've discovered Juliet 3, and just a little bit further, a guard by the northern part of the bridge, but the southern part is where we need to go. And there we go, approaching this little house and getting rid of the distraction here. Should then be able to head just south on this bridge. Hopefully they weren't alerted, and we'll probably need to get rid of 1 to 2 guards here as well. I don't want to say there's nobody here, but there might not be anyone here. Anyways, checking here, and of course inside here, you should be able to see if your node has spawned here. It will spawn at one of these 3 locations, so you just need to look through them very carefully, but anyways, once you've done it, you'll just need to make your way to the closest LZ and head out of here. That's it, we're back at base, let's hand it over, and there you go. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.